Now hold on, wait. Let's see if you sound like this every day. Gosh, I wish I could have more energy to work out. Gosh, yeah, I'm gonna work out tomorrow. I promise when I get off of work. Man, yeah, I know I was supposed to eat better and work out. Man, I'm gonna start that on Monday on my favorite. Oh, beginning of the year is starting up soon. I'm gonna start January 1st. I'm just playing around. But hey, if you can't find the energy to go do the things that you want and make yourself feel better, and if you ever said to yourself, why can't I stay motivated? And why can't I get motivated to go work out? I got a few tips that's gonna help you guys today. Let's get into it.
Back, give me that, all that's mine. And that money's not yours.
In this video, we're gonna go over a few tips on how you can get motivated to working out. I know it's hard, but I'm gonna give you my #1 way on how I stay motivated. Then we're gonna uncover a few tips on how you can get other people to help you stay motivated. And last, I'll uncover a way that you can lose 10% of your body fat in just 1 month. Now, the #1 lie when it comes to going and getting motivated to working out is people say that working out can't be fun. Come on, you guys. You have to make things fun. So I try to tell people when they jump into working out, it's not the fun, it's not the best thing to do, and it's not glorious, and it's not like, oh, I'm working out, let's go have some fun, I'm smiling the whole time. No, most people in the gym, they're working out, they're a little bit upset. But it doesn't always start that way. You can go ahead and jump into some fun things to even working out. You just go walking with a couple of friends. When you go to the gym next time, just don't go by yourself. Go and go with a buddy you guys, or a homegirl, a best friend, girlfriend, whoever you guys want to go with, and take classes. Classes are really fun. Even go to the women's side, they have belly dancing. They have, of course, pole dancing that helps you work out. They have Zumba. Ladies, you can make this fun when you're going to go work out. Fun. Make it a game. Make it between like you and your buddies. You know, guys, you can be like, all right, first one to the gym has to last one that goes to the gym has to do like an extra 10 push-ups when they get there, because they the last one to get there. You have to make working out fun, man. So when I first started working out, I would put in my mind like, yo, I know if I don't get to the gym right when I get off of work, I used to get off at like 5 o'clock, 9 to 5 like everybody, most people in America. If I ain't go ahead and go to the gym right after I go from work, I'll be like, yo, I gotta do an extra 100 push-ups, because that's my penalty to myself. I made it fun. Like if I did, I was like, oh yeah, I have to hurry and get there, because if I don't, I'm like, I gotta do these 100 push-ups. So you gotta make things kind of fun, man. You gotta turn it into like a game. Because if you don't, you're going to get bored, and if not, you're not going to want to do it. You're going to end up going back home on the couch and watching Netflix, and that's not the wave, man, at all. Did you know that you can go ahead and have fun while you're working out, man? I know people make it dreadful, like they always in pain all the time at the gym. Pain does come with it, but you can still have fun. Put in the comments at the bottom if you always thought that working out was like a hassle, like something that you didn't want to do or you couldn't have fun doing it, man. Give me a like, comment, let me know. Here's another tip for you guys when you go ahead and try to get motivated and go ahead and working out is go ahead and put it on a piece of paper of your goals and on why you're doing it and what result do you want to have after working out and getting your diet together. It's like, I'm not talking about type it. No, I'm talking about actually get a pen or a pencil and write it down. Sometimes when you write things down, you manifest it and you bring it into life. And if you put it on the refrigerator or put it on your desk or put it on your wallpaper or on your laptop, it makes it come true, because you're seeing it every day. Like, I know I want to lose this extra 10 pounds, or I want to get that six-pack that I always wanted, or I want to create that V taper that I see the other guys are having, or ladies, I know you see this model that she has like that butt that she has that you want. You put that on paper, you put a time frame to it to say like, yo, this is what I want to do in this time frame, and this is how I'm going to do it, and I'm not going to stop until I do it. So when you sometimes put it on a piece of paper and you put it somewhere that you have to see it every single day, I mean, it works perfectly. In my instance, I put on a sticky note. I put on my medicine cabinet in my bathroom, and it said, you cannot quit. You will gain the weight that you always wanted. I remember that sticky note. I was like, I used to see it all the time. Brush my teeth, I would see it. Yo, I'm going to gain this weight. Hey, I'm going to gain this weight. I had to do it. I saw it all the time. And it was my motivation, because I knew I written it down. I knew it was a goal. And every morning I had to see it. That was like one of the first things I saw in my mind when I first woke up. So throughout the day, I would see it all day. I would go to work, I would see it, I would drive, I would see it. So it was implanted in my mind, so it kept me motivated, it kept me going over and over and over again. And it got to a point where I would even tell my friends that. I'd be like, yo, that's where it came in. I wanted my friends to help me. It was like, yo, I'm going to the gym, you guys wanna go? Or, yo, hit me up at this time. If I ain't another gym at this time, that means there must be a problem, man. Go ahead and help me to motivate me. So I always preach that. My father told me that not everybody is an island. People are peninsula. So sometimes you need that help. You need accountability from people to be like, yo, I want to work out 3 times this week. Hey, can you come with me 1 time out this week? Or can you check on me to make sure I do that? There's nothing wrong with getting some help. So writing it down makes it very real. People don't see that. So try it out, man. It'll help you stay more motivated on your journey. Before I get to that last tip, I told y'all there's a way that you can go ahead and lose 10% of that body fat within a month. I'm gonna put the link at the bottom, but we gotta get right into it. It's gonna be this third tip right here. It's gonna be create a challenge. Having a challenge is awesome. Like I said, we're gonna write it down. We can make it fun, but not just write it down and say I want to do something. Have a time frame to it. Within my challenge that I have a 21-day challenge. You got to go ahead and go on the link and check it out. When you create challenges, it gives you a time frame. It makes you go into like, I did it, I'm here, now I have to start it. Every day is a different thing that you have to do. Every day you have to work a little bit harder. Say within your challenge, you're going to say like within these 21 days or these 30 days or these 7 days, however you want to do your challenge, you want to be like, yo, for these 7 days, I'm going to just refrain from meat. Like, I'm not going to eat no meat because I want to lose a little bit of the stomach, or it's like a mental thing. You want to get rid of a certain meat to be like, yo, I want to see if I can do it, make a try vegan. Or you want to go to a point where you want to go for a whole 2 weeks, you want to do no alcohol because you want to stay focused and you don't want to produce too much of that sugar that goes into the alcohol. You know, everybody has different reasons on why they want to cut some things out, but have a challenge, have a goal. Be like, yo, I don't want to do this for this amount of time. It makes it fun. It makes it active. It makes it new. It makes it like you have to do it, because once that challenge is done, you'll feel bad if you don't finish that challenge. So within my challenge, the 21-day challenge, man, we try to lose up to 10% of your body fat within these 21 days. We keep you upbeat. We keep you pumped. We keep you rolling. It makes you more focused when you have a challenge. I do them all the time. I say within these 3 or 4 months, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna gain at least another 10 pounds of muscle, solid muscle. If I don't do that, man, I'm gonna feel some type of way. I have big goals. I wanna get bigger and stronger, but I wanna stay lean at the same time. And I've even tried this challenge. So if you wanna go ahead and do this challenge, hey, trust me, go on the link at the bottom. Let me know. We can go ahead and get you set up. I mean, it's a wonderful challenge. You can start almost anytime. You can start at every month. So you can go into the running and see if you can even qualify for this challenge. Not for everybody, because it's a serious challenge, but I ain't gonna scare y'all. But those are my 3 tips on how you can stay more motivated on your fitness journey, man. If you have any questions, comments, y'all go ahead and hit me up. Links at the bottom. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. All right?